Look what that boy's eating, man. Huh? Look at this tree up, man. Won't be long that this tree is going to be right in the crappie hole. Look how big it is. And that son of a bitch is going to fall right in the hole, right out there. Probably going to take them trees with it. I don't know if that's going to be good or bad for this spot. Won't be long. It won't be long. This will be right in there. How long? Couple weeks? That old beaver's working here. What he's doing around here. Cutting them all down. All right.